All right, guys, I just got started and a school of jacks popped up on me, and I saw them and I just happened to toss over there. Following the birds, following the birds. All right, stop, buddy. Stop, stop, stop. I am not trying to get these hooks in me. There's some more of them over there. If you see them right there, I'm actually going to toss back in there. All right, guys, so what I'm doing, I'm throwing a little Yozuri, but what I did, I changed out my treble hooks for inline hooks, and we're gonna see if the fish stay buttoned up or if I have the same hook ratio as trebles. So that's the plan for this morning, and we're gonna see. They're all in front of me. Man, they have got this bait fish chased up over here. There we go. There we go. I think it's another jack. Yep. Same size. He's got another one with him. He's a little jacks, but that's all right. That's two. These inline hooks work. I don't care, this is fun. I don't eat jacks, but they're just fun to catch. They are super fun to catch. They are aggressive. Let it sink for a second. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Oh, he almost took the rod out of my hand while it was just sitting. Man, this is fun. They are super aggressive. What I'm gonna do, oh, these hooks work so well. Number 3. I think I'm gonna go out here where I wanted to get to this morning, because if they're fired up, the trout may be fired up. And I'm gonna go to this grass flats where I know where there's some trout, and we're gonna see